Statistics is fine. I'm learning mean median mode. I just don't get it, I need some help to understand this. Let's sit down and talk, I'll teach you how to do it. We'll start with the mean, this means we'll find the average. Take a look down, find your list of numbers, add them all up. Then you take that sum and divide it by the number of all the numbers that are on your list. And that's all it takes to find the mean. Now we'll move to median, it's really simple. Take all your numbers, put them in order, go down your list and find the middle number. And now you found your median. And now you found your median. I'm like, hold up right there, we're almost done, we just have one more to teach you. It's known as the mode, which is really simple. Look at your list of all your numbers, find the one that shows up more than once, and you found your mode. I told you it was easy, now that you've learned median mode, I'll give you some tips to help you remember it. Mean is the average, it's also the meanest because you do the most math to find it. Median is next, it's known as the middle, and last comes the mode. It means the most, they both have MO. Now you know some tricks, and you're ready to go. Oh, you're ready to go, 'cause now you're a stats queen. Yeah, now you're a stats queen. We out.